In this video, I will explain what Earth satellites are and how they work. You will learn what they are used for and how they are integrated into the Earth's atmosphere. Earth satellites are artificial objects that orbit the Earth. They are sent into space to perform specific tasks. These satellites usually travel at different altitudes. They can collect data or enable communication. Earth satellites are launched into space with rockets. These rockets carry the satellite to its orbit. Once the satellite reaches the correct altitude, it is released. After that, it begins to orbit the Earth. Earth satellites help with weather forecasting by taking pictures of the Earth. They are also important for navigation because they send GPS signals. Without satellites, many modern technologies would not be possible. They also enable global communication. Earth satellites move in a specific orbit around the Earth. Their speed is so high that they stay in motion. They follow the curvature of the Earth, which prevents them from falling back into the atmosphere. There are different types of Earth satellites that perform various tasks. Communication satellites enable phone calls and television broadcasts. Weather satellites observe the climate and weather conditions. Navigation satellites help us find the right way. The lifespan of a satellite depends on its technology and purpose. Some satellites are only in use for a few years. Others can stay in orbit for much longer. Once a satellite has completed its mission, it is usually removed from orbit. If a satellite fails, it is usually no longer used. In many cases, the satellite cannot be repaired. Sometimes, a replacement satellite is sent to take over its function. If the satellite is still intact, it can continue to provide data. The position of satellites is constantly monitored. This is done with special stations on Earth that track the satellites. There are also systems that measure the exact position and speed. These data help keep the satellites safely in orbit. If a satellite comes too close to the Earth, it may enter the atmosphere. In doing so, it gets heated up by air resistance. Most satellites burn up before they reach the ground. Only very large pieces may sometimes reach the ground.